making fried spring rolls. We're going to start with 8 ounces of ground pork, 2 tablespoons of oil, 8 ounces of Napa cabbage thinly sliced, 2 to 3 scallions chopped, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1/4 cup of water, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, 1/4 teaspoon of sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/8 of a teaspoon of pepper, 1 packet of frozen spring roll wrappers thawed to room temperature, and 1 large egg lightly beaten. And for our sauces, we'll use some ground chili paste with soy sauce or a nice chili sauce. Okay, let's get started. We're going to make our filling. We heat our oil in our fry pan. And we get in our pork. Start cooking that. Okay, our ground pork's starting to cook. We get our cabbage in there. Start to wilt that down. Before we add the rest of our ingredients. Let's get in the rest of our ingredients. We have our oyster sauce. Our sugar and salt. Fresh ground black pepper. Sesame oil. Scallions. And our water. Now you want to cook this until it pretty much dries up because you don't want a wet filling. Okay, our mixture's a little wet, so we're going to drain it off. Get ready to put in our wrappers. Okay, we have our wrapper laid out. And we put about 2 tablespoons of our filling in there. You don't want to overfill these. We'll get our egg around the edge. And we'll wrap these up. About halfway up, 3/4 way up. Fold the ends in. And then roll it nice and tight. There you go. Then we're going to fry these. Okay, let's heat our oil for frying, about 1 inch and a half. About 350 degrees, 375. And we'll fry these. Well, there you have it, my fried spring roll. Enjoy.